Becoming a lifesaver in conversations, English language learning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are continuing our journey through the realm of conversational English. In this video, we will focus on how to accept requests with gratitude. Specifically, we'll delve into the very popular and heartfelt phrase, "You're a lifesaver." So, let's get started. The expression, "You're a lifesaver," is a common idiomatic phrase used in English. We often use it to show great gratitude towards someone who has helped us out in a challenging situation or when someone agrees to do a favor for us. For instance, imagine a friend helps you finish a project just before a tight deadline. In such a case, you could say, "You're a lifesaver. I couldn't have finished it without you." Now, let's look at how you can incorporate this phrase into your daily conversations. It's important to remember that "you're a lifesaver" is typically used informally, so it's perfect for friendly and casual interactions. 1. If a friend brings you the notes from a class you missed, you could say, "You're a lifesaver. Thank you so much for these notes." 2. If someone helps you carry your heavy bags, you could express your gratitude by saying, "Thanks for your help. You're a lifesaver." And, what do you say when someone says, "You're a lifesaver," to you? Here are some simple responses. 1. I'm glad I could help. 2. It's no problem at all. 3. Anytime. Happy to assist. Remember, the goal is to acknowledge the person's gratitude and keep the conversation friendly and positive. So there you have it. By using the phrase, "You're a lifesaver," you can express great gratitude to someone who has helped you in some way. This expression will definitely add an extra touch to your conversational English skills. I hope you found this video useful and it adds more flavor to your everyday English conversations. As always, keep practicing and never hesitate to try out new phrases. See you in the next video.